Ready to unleash your gaming potential or get less restrictions? This video will show you exactly how to turn off or adjust parental controls on your PS5. First, grab your PS5 controller and make sure you're logged into an adult account. Then, from the home screen, navigate to the settings icon. It looks like a little cogwheel. Press the X button to select it. Now, scroll down the settings menu until you see Family and Parental Controls. Select this option by pressing the X button again. Within the Family and Parental Controls menu, select Parental Controls. Press X. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a range of customizable options, like game restrictions, communication and user-generated content, and web filtering. Depending on the settings you want to change, you will need to select these different options. To change any of these parental control options, you'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Enter your 4-digit passcode, or if you haven't set one, you'll be prompted to create one. Depending on your needs, within the game restrictions section, you can adjust the age rating of the games that can be played or communication restrictions. Select the option you want to modify. Enter your passcode again if prompted, and make your adjustments. In the communication and user-generated content section, you can restrict other users from contact or user-generated content within games. Adjust these settings if you would like. Once you have entered your password, you can turn off any desired parental control settings. After you are done making the changes or disabling the settings completely, hit the circle button to go backwards. You are now set to go. You can now enjoy the updated settings.